Air Jordan Black Cat 4s. These,
Who
bro, when they
who
retroed,
died and made these the most popular Jordan 4s, bro?
I don't know,
Like, why do they command such a high resale?
because people went crazy after the last dance on the other ones, and when they were in outlets. But you know what's wild about? I passed on this shit. This is when I was buying like every sneaker, and I passed on this. 'Cause I was like, it's black, whatever.
Did Mike even play in these?
I don't
I
think
guess we
so.
got to ask Sean,
I don't
but
think so.
Wait, is this a
yeah,
Nike?
like
Is it Nike Air Retro?
yeah, the
Maybe,
original
dude.
they changed it because the originals had Jumpman.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's what's different about these is the Nike Air.
So wait, this is the third retro of this though, right? Because
Third
2020 they retro them.
third release, second retro.
Oh yeah,
It
that's what I'm
came
sorry.
like
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, third
came
release,
out
second
in
retro.
the early aughts, then pandemic era, and then now.
My question is why they keep retroing these things that, like shoes that came out 5 years ago. They weren't
Oh, because they
retro.
know the streets want them.
That's why. See, I can remember this shit because I haven't been a sneakerhead that long. So this is very near and dear to my heart. This one because I missed out on it when I saw them bitches selling for $800.
That's why
I was
that's
like,
why they're releasing them
dog.
again.
I used to clean up on the outlet shits, yo. Back then, if I saw this probably hit like $89 at the outlet. I would have bought all of them and just held on to them.
I went to the
Only for
outlet
like,
the other day and got a pair of Reimagined ones. They sitting right in front of me.
really.
Smooth $100.
Which ones you get?
Black toe.
Oh, with the Nike, the different Jordan.
Yeah, the different branding on the heel. Yeah, I couldn't pass that up for
How much were they?
$100 after tax.
Dog, you could have bought that for $89 on freaking Goat.
Yeah, they're going cheap on Goat. I just got the UNC
Oh.
and
At least I know mine was real.
No.